Hello everyone, welcome to NAS Unboxing. I'm Sam, and today we will introduce you the 3 Bay NAS TS-351. What makes the TS-351 unique is that it's a 3 Bay NAS that also features two M.2 SSD NVMe slots, providing it with the potential of both optimal storage capacity and storage performance. QNAP now provides a range of 3 Bay NAS solutions to help users to get an optimal hard drive usage rate with an entry-level prices. 2 Bay NAS can only support up to rate 1, which provides a hard drive usage rate of only 50%. On the other hand, rate 5 reaches 66%. With the 3 Bay NAS, users can build a rate 5 with the minimum number of disks. This helps to optimize storage utilization and performance without sacrificing data redundancy, and all at a suitable price range. Let's start. Underneath the protection, there is the NAS, the power cable, screws, Ethernet cables, user manual, and some heatsinks for the M.2 SSDs, as M.2 SSDs can get hot underneath sustained load, so it's important they have suitable cooling to avoid throttling. This is the TS-351. It uses a dual-core Intel Celeron J1800 processor with a clock speed up to 2.58 GHz. It comes with 2 or 4 GB memory and standard. They can be expanded up to 8 GB. The design is similar to our other 3 Bay NAS, with 3 SATA drive space that support RAID 5. Configurations with the minimum required disk on the right side are the LED indicators. There are an additional access lights for the M.2 SSDs. At the bottom, there is the power button and USB port and one touch copy button. On the rear, we have the audio line out, HDMI output that can support Full HD, gigabit LAN port, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and the power socket. The smart fan automatically adjusts the speed based on the internal temperatures. This is the quick installation QR code, allowing for easy setup of the NAS. Just connect the NAS to your network, turn on the power, and scan the code to begin installation. Now let's talk about what makes the TS-351 special. The 2 built-in M.2 NVMe SSD slots. Adding 2 M.2 drives to your NAS gives you the ability to benefit from greater read and write speed, not to mention the ability to get the best of both SATA and M.2 drives by using SSD cache and our proprietary Q-tier technology. The TS-351 has many ways to protect your data, including full snapshot support. Snapshots can help you protect the content of your files from accidental deletion or the effects of malware. You can view the content of snapshot for restoring individual files, or you can fully restore the entire content of the NAS if needed. And up to 256 snapshots are supported. Going beyond the hardware, the TS-351 runs the QTS operating system. QTS is a smart app-driven operation system which provides everything you need for file management, multimedia, streaming, backup, and more. In summary, the TS-351 is a small NAS that's big on features. If you are looking for an entry-level or home NAS, then it provides everything you'll need and much more, including 2 built-in M.2 NVMe SSD slots, HDMI output and hardware transcoding, support for up to 256 snapshots. This concludes our unboxing of the TS-351. You can find more information at our website, QNAP.com. Subscribe to our channel for more videos, and we will see you next time on QNAP Live Broadcast. Bye!